Hello friends, this is Suman and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Friends, when we hear the name Jubin, one word comes to our mind, and that is legend. But do you know, behind this legend, there are full of stories, struggles, and surprises that even many fans don't know. Today, I will tell you 15 unknown and interesting facts. Fact 1, the name story. Do you know Jubin was not just randomly named? His parents named him after the legendary Western classical musician Jubin Mehta. Fact 2, family background. You will surprise after knowing the family background of the legend. His father, Mohini Mohan Borthakur, was a magistrate and he is also known as lyricist and poet. His mother, Ili Borthakur, was a singer and his wife, Gorima Saikia, a fashion designer. Fact 3, master of instruments. Not just a singer, Jubin plays more than 12 instruments, including tabla, Anand Lahori, dhol, dotara, guitar, harmonium, harmonica, mandolin, drums, keyboards, flute. Fact 4, 40 plus languages. He has sung in over 40 languages: Assamese, Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Nepali, Marathi, English, and many more. Very few Indian singers have this range. At 5, 1000 songs in a year. At his peak, Jubin recorded more than 1000 songs in a single year. This is almost a world record. At 6, over 40,000 songs. Till date, Jubin Garg has sung more than 40,000 songs across albums, films, and concerts. Fact 7, Onamika, The Beginning. His debut Assamese album Onamika in 1992 turned him into a star overnight. Youngsters of Assam still remember it as a musical revolution. Fact 8, Sisters Tragedy. Jubin's younger sister, Jonke Borthakur, also a singer, passed away in a tragic car accident in 2002 on the way of her concert. Her death broke him deeply. Jubin dedicated many of his songs to her memory. Fact 9, entry in Bollywood and Tollywood. Our childhood is hidden in every Bengali songs that is sung by Jubinda. That's why I keep getting reminded over and over again. His first Bollywood hit song Ya Ali in 2006 and Bengali hit songs Bojana Se Bojana in 2009. Fact 10, a philanthropist. Jubin silently donated to flood victims of Assam, organized charity events, and supports young musicians financially. He rarely talks about this side publicly. Fact 11, medicine dropout. Not many know Jubin joined Jorhat Medical College to study medicine, but dropped out because music was calling him louder. Imagine if he had become a doctor instead of singer. Fact 12, actor and director. Many people don't know that Jubin has directed films like Nissan China in 2017, was one of the highest grossing Assamese films ever, and acted in movies like Kanchenjunga. Fact 13, award winner. He has received many awards like National Film Awards, Filmfare Awards, and state honors. But for Jubin, the biggest award is always the love of his fans. Fact 14, spiritual but rebel. Jubin got publicly identified as an atheist, stating that he has no caste, no religion, and no God, but a human being who simply loves everyone and wants to be loved. He is also known for his rebellious voice against injustice. That's why fan calls him both rockstar and revolutionary. Fact 15, the Bohemian legend. From his unique dressing style to speaking, Jubin Garg had always lived his life on his own terms. That's why his fans don't just love his songs, they love his spirit. So friends, these are 15 unknown facts about Jubin Garg. Tell me in the comments which facts touch your heart the most. His 1000 songs in a year or his painful story about his sister. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more stories of legends who inspire us. And remember, legends never die. Jubinda will live forever in music.